In this chapter, we will work using more advanced editing features. Some features described are only available in the premium versions of Studio, but you can still follow this tutorial with any version, just skip the steps you don't have. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a layered look using videos, photos, and titles. This is a brief overview of some complex editing techniques. These advanced concepts are discussed in greater detail in complete training for Studio, which can be purchased on the web store. One thing to remember is that Studio Premium versions have from 24 to unlimited tracks depending on the version you have. We will show you how to add tracks to your timeline in this tutorial. Let's set the primary track by clicking it. This becomes the selected track for receiving clips when using the Send button or when sound clips and titles are created. In these cases, the clip added to the timeline will be added at the playhead position. Put a source clip in the preview by clicking on it in the library. In the premium versions, you can pre-trim the clip by selecting in and out points. Use the Send to Timeline button under the preview window and notice how it goes to the primary track. Next, set the track above the video to primary. Press the title button on the toolbar. Select a look in the titler and press OK to return to the timeline. Notice how the title was added to the primary track at the position of the playhead. Next, let's change the primary track to a track below the video. Add a soundstage clip. Select anyone, and then press OK. If you like larger work areas, it's easy to resize an individual track. Here's a quick tip. Use the plus and minus keys on your number pad to zoom in and out of the timeline, or use the left and right brackets next to the P key if you don't have a number pad. If you're using one of the premium versions of Studio, you can use the lock anytime you don't want one or more of the tracks changed in any way. I'm using it to lock the track with the soundstage clip on it. Let's open the scenes by right-clicking our long video clip and choosing Show Scenes. Pick and drop a short clip above the other video clip at a cut point. Notice nothing happened to the soundstage clip because it is locked and it cannot be overwritten or changed in any way. Let's double-click on a clip on the timeline to open Effects. Add an effect and press OK. Let's add an effect using a different method. Go to your effects in the library and drag a different effect from the library to the clip above the one you just put an effect on. Now let's add a voiceover by placing your playhead where you want the voiceover to start. Then click the microphone button. Check your levels. Test 1, 2, 3, and press the record button. You will get a countdown, then start to speak. Studio has powerful editing tools. As a note, this will always create its own track. No need to move the primary track, and you can rename the track as well by clicking on the name. If you are using a premium version of Studio, make sure your tracks are not locked, and then press the Audio Mixer button to open the mixer and do a level change. You will see a surround mixer icon on any of the tracks where the playhead is resting over a clip with audio. To adjust stereo panning or 5.1 surround sound, click on the mixer icon when highlighted. That's it! Let's play back the movie by selecting Home on the keyboard to bring our playback head to the beginning of our movie and then press the space bar. Well done! You're really beginning to see the powerful editing features in Studio. Hello, I'm Paul Holtz from Class on Demand. This introductory chapter gave you a quick look at the creative power and flexibility of Pinnacle Studio 16. If you'd like to learn more about creating your movies with award-winning Pinnacle technology trusted by millions of users worldwide, then order your copy of Class on Demand's complete training for Pinnacle Studio 16 on the Pinnacle website. On behalf of Pinnacle and Class on Demand, thanks for watching.